Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Kershaw Amplitude here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty interesting knife, very inexpensive I have to say, offering from Kershaw. It's 7.25 inch long when open, 4.1 inch long handle. The handles are made out of steel, 410, 3.25 inch long blade with this hollow grind, looks like, made out of HCR 13 MOV. These are Rexford designed as it's assisted, of course, and weighs in at 4.3 ounces. The sound this guy makes, it's this. So it's very inconspicuous, it's very snappy and nice. I have to say it. It's alright. When you close it, almost inaudible. When you open it, it's decently muffled, let's say, so it's not obtrusive and not loud whatsoever. The fit and finish is okay. I mean, it's not stellar. Like, for example, this is a new one, and look at this. It comes already with snail trails, like the jeans you buy now, you see, like already used. And check out here, this is brand new, guys, and it's already fading. I didn't do anything, like nothing. There's 3 standoffs going on over here. The pocket clip is deep carry, reversible, so that's a nice thing. The weight of this guy, it's 4.3 ounces, so not the lightest of them all because it's kind of like small. The grip is okay, if not for this hotspot going on over here. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.